first number you see. Alright, it cannot be the third number you see. Okay, so this answer is the same. The answer is same, but standard form is standard, right? I mean, the word standard is very clear already. Have to be the first number.
Because
okay,
when you do the equation, it will be like, for this is the case that mx plus c. Alright, so it's only x. Then if for quadratic graph, it will be something like x squared. And then maybe this one is
like, okay, so for this question, they say water is poured into the container at the rate of 24. So to find the volume of the water in the container, we use, first of all, we need to find out what's the area of 3 over, so that's 1. So what's your tangent 60? Root 3. Okay, very good. So it is root 3. Okay, and tangent 30 is basically 1 over root 3.
This line here is a tangent. So circle at A. And EC goes to EB. So EC is here. EB. Okay, B is 40. That's good. X is 40. X, let me see. Yeah, X is also 40. Okay. Team working, yes, good. We attack this as a team, yes.